Hey everybody, Corrado Arangio here, and I'm with Lori from Primont Homes, and in this video we're going to talk about MontVert Condos. Which is your latest project. So before we get into the video, can you tell us a little bit about your story, how you got into the business, and Primont Homes?
Yes, definitely. So Primont Homes was founded over 50 years ago by my father, John Montesano. And it was just an eventual graduation into the business where first my brother Joe entered the business, and then followed by myself, and then eventually my husband as well.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So did he come from Italy? Because I think I saw it online.
Yes, he did. Yes.
That's awesome.
So he came
what part
from
of Italy?
So South Italy.
Nice,
yes.
Nice. So his last name actually is same as my agent when I played soccer in Italy, Montesano.
Oh, really?
So my soccer agent in Italy, his name was Giampaolo Montesano. Sorry, I just had to throw that in. Yeah.
Popular name.
Yeah. So when you first started, did you set like any goals to get to basically like where you are today? Did you expect to be where you are today, or?
Well, I think my dad always had a vision because he's purchased these lands many, many years ago.
Yeah.
And he always had a vision of, Brampton in particular, one day just booming. And we didn't see it at the beginning. We waited and we developed the land, and it went through many processes, many phases, and eventually here we are. So, yeah.
So where do you see Primont in like the next 10 years?
Well, we've gotten into the high-rise end of or high-rise building within the last few years. We launched our first condo in Brampton, Condos, and then just recently our towers in Vaughan.
Yeah,
and
you guys are growing really fast.
Yeah, so
I think in the last year and a half we sold like 4 towers.
Yes,
3 towers.
3 towers.
So M Condos.
Yes.
SW1, Tower 2,
and
now MontVert.
Now MontVert, 2 towers coming to market.
Yeah.
So we're very excited. And we're very excited to be getting into this condo market and going with it. I mean, low rise is still very much of our history.
I really like working with you guys too.
Yeah, we've enjoyed the relationship.
Yeah. So tell us more about like the project.
Okay, so MontVert is comprised of 2 towers at Sandalwood Parkway and Mississauga Road in Brampton. There's 2 towers. Each tower is 12 stories. They're going to share an underground parking. We've worked with, we brought a full team together. So Core Architect is the architect for the building. Everyone's familiar with Core Architect. And we've brought in Mike Niven for the interior design.
Nice.
Yeah, so with the collaboration, we're really excited about this project.
Tell us about the location a little bit.
Sure. So MontVert in Brampton, we are part of the Mount Pleasant community. We are a 4-minute ride to the Mount Pleasant GO station. So really, when developing these lands, we're really at the forefront for us was really amenities and close proximity to highways. So we've got the 410 close by, we've got the 407 minutes away. So we're 4 minutes to the Mount Pleasant GO station. So we're a 45-minute GO train ride right to Union Station. So it does appeal to that end user. We've got the Casey Campbell Community Center, which is a 2-minute walk from our location, which offers a full pool, full gym, skating rinks. It's really a family-friendly community.
Yeah, location's awesome.
Yes.
So how do you see the real estate market in the next like 5 to 10 years?
Well, just recently, end of January, it just started taking off. So I'm thinking we are headed into a strong market. And I'm seeing high rise as the way to go. It's affordability.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, because it's booming. Like this year, I posted a video of like back in 2016 of like how crazy it was.
The brokers at the door.
Going crazy. And
I think that might have been one of our low-rise sites in Brampton.
Probably. I don't remember. A client actually sent me that. Right. So it was funny. So but yeah, it's a crazy market right now. A lot of investors. So what's your advice to somebody like a beginner real estate investor and somebody that wants to get into investing in real estate? What's your best advice?
I think my best advice from being on our end of it is always get in at pre-construction and pre-launch. Like you guys are doing a great job at bringing people to the to the openings and whatnot. And I think that is the time to get in before prices start going up. And
timing is perfect. Very important.
It's essential. The timing, right?
Well, thank you for taking the time to do this. It really means the world to me. So
thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Nice to see you again.
Thank you.